Good afternoon, fellas. Who's this?
JP.
And?
Ryan.
Man, what are you guys doing today?
Jumping off an airplane.
Jumping out of an airplane.
What we're doing yet.
Well, man,
we're going up in an airplane right now.
It looks like you're wearing some super fancy suits and you're about to go skydiving. Man, any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Oh, my boss told me to do it.
Somebody paid for me.
All right, man. Hey, what a reason to go, dude. That's absolutely fantastic. You guys look fantastic. You ready to rock and roll?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. High fives. Whee! Here we go. All right, guys. We found us an airplane. You ready to get in this thing so we get right back out of it?
Let's get out.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go have some fun. Here we go. Woo-hoo! Go. You got a good grip, right? Yep. You're flying, man.
Holy fuck.
Let's go with the right-hand turn. Right-hand turn. The harder you pull, the better you turn. You gotta go a little bit deeper. There you go. Nice. Woo-hoo. Looks good, man. All right, give me that thing. Woo-hoo. Yeah! All right, man, you did it. You just went skydiving. How you feeling?
Pretty stoked. Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
The parachute.
You like the parachute?
Yeah, not the front.
My favorite too, man. Dude, you absolutely killed it. That was
Awesome.
so much fun. Thank you
you
so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Let's go! Woo!